coconut oil, skin savior, or pore clogger? Let's clear that confusion. Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath, bridging science and nature for your skin. When people talk about coconut oil, the one studied most for skin is virgin coconut oil or VCO. This is cold pressed from fresh coconuts that's rich in lauric acid and antioxidants. Clinical studies show VCO helps improve hydration and reduces water loss. Kaya effective ito for body care and conditions like eczema. Pero sa face, medyo tricky. It's heavy and comedogenic, so pwedeng magclog ng pores lalo na kung oily or acne prone ka. So saan ito best gamitin? This is perfect for body moisturizers, scrubs, and hair mask. For the face, only if your skin is very dry and not acne prone. Again, I'm Chat De Los Santos, your wellness cosmetic chemist. If you want to learn how to use oils and actives correctly and even formulate your own products, I have a training for you. DM me if you're interested.